Hey, it's Anna Berry from the Forest Society. I'm here at the Rocks in Bethlehem, New Hampshire for the New Hampshire Maple Experience. It's going to be running through April 2nd, and you come up here from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tours leave on the hour. You get a chance to tap a sugar maple, to ride on a horse-drawn wagon, check out the sap lines, and then take a tractor ride down to the sugar house where sugar maker Brad Presby will show and tell you how sap turns from sap into maple syrup and why maple syrup is so beloved here in New Hampshire and across the country. So we hope you come on up, and you can learn more at newhampshiremapleexperience.com. As always, we appreciate your support of the Rocks, which is part of the Forest Society, a nonprofit organization working to keep forests as forests in New Hampshire. We just saw the sap dripping from the sugar maple tree. We helped tap it, and now we're headed back to ride in the horse-drawn wagon. We're passing by the carriage barn that will this summer be transformed. There'll be a lot of construction going on here. So we're happy to be here today, taking in some educational programs at the Rocks before all of that gets started later this spring. We'll hop in. You go ahead of me, okay?
Oh, that's okay. Warm me up.
When you don't have leaves on your trees, you have to know something about the tree in order to know which ones to tap, because you just want to tap maples. So I have two branches here, and maple trees grow in a pattern that's called opposite branching. So you have a branch on one side and one on the other, and the one in my right hand is a red maple. And that's really obvious. It's got rounded red buds on it. And the one in this hand is a sugar maple, and it has pointy brown buds on it.
Hi, Sam and Charlie. That was their last ride of the day, right? Get a little break now. Pulling into the New Hampshire Maple Experience, the Glessner Sugar House. It used to be the sawmill and the pig pen. Now we're headed inside.
Sap weighs in at 8 pounds a gallon, just like water, okay? Roughly 8 pounds a gallon, okay? Remember, half-ton pickup, we can carry 1,000 pounds. I was already doing 2,400 pounds, okay? And I remember her sitting there riding with me. She only did it on a rare occasion. I remember one night the skies got was gorgeous night. We're pumping sap in the back of the truck. We got in the truck and right down the road. She said, "Mom, you can really see the stars out of this truck." The one that truck skipped right up here like that. Yeah. So anyway,